Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about the DT delivery technique session. We are going to understand a testing maturity model, commonly known as TMM. In the previous video, we discussed the testing as process. Now we are going one step deeper. How mature that testing process is inside an organization. Okay. So let us begin with the question. Why do projects fail in testing? Some common reasons or testing starts too late. That is no structured progress, no proper test planning, ad hoc defect handling, high defect leakage, bugs, especially to production. The result. What will be the result? The quality crisis. So let me ask you, is testing done systematically in all companies? Yes, this stage is a very important stage as it is a empathy stage, which is the DT's first stage. So when started, we begin with the question, why do projects fail in testing? Is the testing done systematically in all companies? So these are the question arises between us. So during the empathy stage, so we'll go with the problem definition here. The real problem is not testing. The problem is testing maturity. Without a maturity model, organization face critical gaps. No defined test process, no matrices to measure the quality, no proper documentation. Testing may exist, but it is inconsistent and uncontrolled. So the issue is not whether testing happens. The issue is how mature the testing process is. So what will the solution? So we shall see here. The solution is the testing maturity model. TMM is a structured framework. It measures the maturity of a testing process. It provides a roadmap for improvement, and it is similar in concept to CMM. In simple terms, test maturity model evaluates how advanced and controlled the testing process in an organization. So, but what does maturity actually mean? Maturity means process control, stability, and predictability. Documentation defined the standards and policies, measurement, tracking matrices, and KPIs, improvement, continuous optimization. Let us take in a simple analogy. Yes, a school student follows their basic rules. An undergraduate understands the structural concepts. A postgraduate specializes. A PhD creates improvements and optimizes systems. Similarly, organizations grow from low maturity to the high maturity. So, levels of testing maturity model here. TMM consists of 5 hierarchy levels. Level 1 is initial, level 2 is managed, third is defined, fourth is measured, and fifth is optimized. As we move upward, maturity increases. Low maturity means the quality is risky, and a high maturity means the quality is predictable. Let us briefly understand the each level. The first level is initial level. Testing is ad hoc and chaotic. No formal process exists. Level 2 is managed. Basic planning and policies are introduced. Level 3 is defined. Testing is standardized and integrated into SDLC, which is nothing but the software development lifecycle. Level 4 is measured. Testing is evaluated using quantities, matrices, decisions or down data data driven. Level 5 is optimized. Focus is on defect prevention, automation, and continuous improvement. The goal is to move from the red to green, from choice to optimization. So let us see a real-time example here. Company has no test documentation and frequent bugs. This represents the initial level. Company B defined test cases and structured reviews. This represents the level 3. Uh, the company C uses the matrices, automations, and the defect prevention strategies. This represents level 5, optimized. So maturity directly impacts the product quality. So, how does TMM solve the problem? How it actually helps? First, it identifies the gap. Second, it brings the structured planning. Third, it reduces the defect leakage. Fourth, it builds a quality culture. Finally, it enables the continuous improvement. TMM moves organizations from chaotic testing to the optimized quality cycles. And here we have our key takeaways. To summarize, testing maturity determines overall the software quality. TMM provides a structured roadmap for processed growth. Higher maturity means better control and better quality. Testing is not just an execution, it is an evaluation. So, yes. In the next video, we'll apply the test maturity model as we discussed. It's a TMM to a real-time project case study and evaluate its maturity level. Thank you.